Okay, now I'm in the follow-up readmission submenu. In here, in the follow-up readmission, I will try to export the student. For the first time, I tried to export one student or single student. And I try to select export. It should display export in progress. And I click OK. I try to check in the memo box, but look at this. I've not received notification anything. Okay. After that, I will try to check the follow-up readmission. I will try to export multiple students. Then I go to the mailbox. Okay, I still not received the notification. When I export in the readmission follow-up. Okay. After that, I back to the follow-up readmission again. I try to filter jury decision is waiting for decision, and I select all the students. After that, I do export again. Okay. Then to the memo box. Okay, still not display here. Okay, this is export result in the assignment readmission, not the follow-up readmission here. So I still not save the notification export in one after exporting single, multiple, and all students. Okay, so I will try to export for another table in the another table. For example, assignment readmission. I select one data in the assignment readmission, and I try to export data. After that, I go to the memo box. Then look at this. I've received the notification text station here in the table affectation. So yes, I still not received the notification export and one when I do export follow up readmission.